Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's class we will be doing self-practice 9E. From question number 1 we will begin. The question is fill in the blanks with the correct answer. So unit kg is needed to be converted to gram. Okay, so in our last class what we did, we learned about a value, a metric unit kg into gram, right? A gram into kg. So again I'll be doing a revision, small revision. I'll be doing this, that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, okay, and 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. This should be known to you all, okay, and if you know this, only then you can solve the problem very well. So 3 kg is needed to be converted into gram. So 1 kg means 1000 gram, then 3 kg means it is 3 into 1000. Just simple, right? Whenever you have to convert kg into gram, you have to multiply with 1000. Remember this tips, that you have to multiply with 1000 whenever you are converting kg into gram. Multiply that number with 1000, you'll get the answer. So here the answer is 3000 gram. All right, the answer is 3000 gram. All right, so proceeding with the next question, 18 kg means 18 into 1000, it is 18,000 gram. Okay, so the part C question we have 6 kg 625 gram is needed to be converted into gram. So here 625 is already in gram, so only the thing need to be converted into gram is 6 kg. So what you'll do first, 6 into 1000, then in between you'll just put plus 625. So this whole will be converted into gram. Now simplify this. 6 into 1000 is 6000 plus 625. The answer is 6625 gram. Okay, so the answer is 6625. I hope you people are understanding this. Convert this kg into gram, multiply with 1000, 6000 plus 625, right? Similarly here you will do the same thing. 72 kg is needed to be converted into gram. So 72 into 1000, right? So 72 into 1000 plus 65 gram, plus 65 gram. So it is 72,000 plus 65. This whole are now in gram. Only the thing you need to do is you have to add it. 5602. So it is 72,065 gram, right? 72,065 gram is the ultimate answer. Okay, student. So proceeding to the next part, 32 kg 9 gram need to be converted into gram. So here also you'll do the simple thing, that is 32 into 1000 plus 9, right? These are now in the gram. Whole things are now in grams. 32 is also converted into gram. Why? Because you are multiplying with 1000. So the answer is 32,000 plus 9. It is 32009 gram. 32009. 32009 gram is the answer, right? So the left out part, there are 3 questions left. F, G and H will be a home assignment. You will do it yourself. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Okay, one thing I'll try to note down here, that here you have to convert this value, that is gram, into kg. So here you will divide with 1000. Although this is your home assignment, but I'm doing this because whenever you have to convert gram into kg, what we did, whenever we have to convert kg into gram, we have to multiply with 1000. So now in the next step, whenever you have to convert any gram value to kg, then you will divide with 1000. You will divide with 1000. So if suppose you have to convert 5 gram into kg, then what you'll do, 5 by 1000. If you have to convert 1000 gram into kg, then it is 1000 by 1000, which is 1 kg. Okay, so it is very simple, right? So gram, whenever you are converting into kg, then divide with 1000. then get the answer. Gram is needed to be converted into kg, so you'll divide with 1000, the remainder will be gram. Here you'll get the answer. Okay, so with this the question number 1 will be over. If you complete your home assignment, if you have any problem, kindly share with me. Okay, proceeding to question number 2, we have fill in the blanks with less than, greater than, or equal to sign. This is very easy, right? So gram is needed to be converted into so two values are there. Which one is bigger, 4000 or 4 kg? So just simplify this first of all, otherwise you'll not be able to understand, because 4000 looks bigger, 4000 looks bigger, but gram and kg is bigger unit, so you will try to compare. So we will keep 4000 as it is. We will try to convert this 4 kg into gram, which is 4 into 1000. Whenever you are converting into gram, it is, you will multiply with 1000, so it is 4000 gram. So is 4000 gram bigger? No, here both are similar, so you will put equal to sign. 4 kg means it is 4000 grams, so left hand side and right hand side both are equal, right? So let's compare number B here, that is 6 kg 325 gram and 625 gram. So here 625 gram looks smaller, but we will not check like this. We will open this, we will try to convert this in this value in a gram, then we will compare. Okay, 6 into 1000 plus 325 gram makes 6325 plus it is 6325 gram. So which one is bigger? Now we have to compare this and this. Which one is bigger? Of course this is bigger. So but easily you can see that 6 kg was there, so 6 into 1000 was 6000. So already this value was bigger than this. Yes, whenever you convert into one value, either you convert this in kg or either you convert this into gram. But to convert kg into gram, it will be very easy, because you just have to multiply with 1000. But whenever you have to convert gram into kg, you have to divide with 1000. Okay, so the left out pawn, that is C and D, will be a home assignment. All right, children. So these questions are very easy, that's why I'm leaving it. But having any doubt, kindly feel free to ask me. Okay, children. So this much for today. In our next class, we will proceed with the next self practice. Okay, student. Thank you, everyone.